जय हिंद एवरीवन, मैं साहिल आप सबका डिफेंस मैनिया पे वेलकम करता हूं। सो फ्रेंड्स, आज हम बात करने वाले हैं अनुभव के बारे में। और इनकी खास बात यह है कि अभी कोविड 19 फोर एफ में, मतलब इस सिचुएशन में भी फोर एफ से रिकमेंड हुए हैं। और ये मुझे एक साल पहले मिले थे। हमारे बैच मेंबर हैं, तो अब जानते हैं कि इनकी स्टोरी क्या थी। अनुभव मुझे एक साल पहले मैसेज करते हैं 25 जून को कि उनको एफ कोर्स में आना है। और फिर वो अपने एफ कोर्स में इनरोल होते हैं। ये तब की बात है जब डिफेंस मैनिया बिल्कुल नया स्टार्ट हुआ था। मैंने मार्च में स्टार्ट किया था और ये 25 जून को ज्वाइन करता है। डिफेंस मैनिया के पहले बैच से ये मेंबर है। उसके बाद ये मुझे सेकेंड टाइम अपना ये 19 मार्च के आसपास मैसेज करते हैं कि हेलो सर, इट्स द सेकेंड टाइम आई क्लियर एफकेट विथ योर गाइडेंस एंड आई स्कोर 175 मार्क्स। मतलब कि इनका एफकेट उस टाइम क्वालिफाई हुआ था, जैसे कि आपको पता है 18 मार्च को रिजल्ट आया था। इसके बाद इनका आईनेट भी क्वालिफाई होता है। अब इनके एक साल की जर्नी में इनको क्या क्या हेल्प मिली और ये कैसे इन्होंने खुद को अपने एसएसबी के लिए प्रिपेयर किया, ये जितनी भी डिटेल्स हैं इनके हम मुंह से जानेंगे। और इनका एक्सपीरियंस फॉर एएफएसबी वाराणसी का, जो भी एस्पिरेंट्स मतलब वहाँ पे जाने वाले हैं या फिर आप किसी भी एसएसबी में जाने वाले हैं, आपको बहुत हेल्प करेगा। जाते जाते मैं आपको बता दूं कि गाइस, रीजनिंग की जो मैराथन क्लास है वो आज शाम को ही होने वाली 9 बजे, तो प्लीज़ इसको मिस मत करना, फुल नाइट मैराथन क्लास को। और चलिए अनुभव एक्सपीरियंस जानते हैं उनके खुद के मुंह से।
So, hello everyone, this is Anubhav Bhattacharjee and I have been returning from Varanasi, getting recommended from 4 AFSB AFCAT batch M470 AFSB 4 Varanasi. So, here I'm making this video just to share my views upon whatever I've done through and whatever training I've received before heading for my AFSB and whatever reasons that were there for being here in this part, how I cleared it. So first of all, I have been with Defense Mania for a long time, starting from the AFCAT preparation as well as the preparation for SSBs. So in AFCAT preparation, Sahil sir has helped me a lot. Starting from Sahil sir, then his team, it has really helped us, the aspirants, a lot to clear the AFCAT main exam, the main theory exam, and it was very helpful from all the notes from Defense Mania. I have been with Defense Mania since Super 30 batch and have cleared AFCAT 3 times being with him, all the 3 times being his student. And definitely this time when he has started off with the SSB tutorials, I have been an integral part of the team, like starting from the GD batch as and the lecturer batch and even the psych batch. So he has trained me a lot, he has helped me a lot, even all the aspirants that has been there in the team. And he has conducted a lot of GDs, like from starting, it was since March, and in the month of May we had done a lot of lecturate, a lot of GDs where we have been through a lot of sessions where we were assessed well by Amit sir and Pew ma'am, and even Sahil sir was there. So it was all over, it was a great experience and a great exposure, or how a GD happens and how a GD takes place, where it happens and where it deals with. That is the reason why Defense Mania has helped me a lot to overcome to all to this. Before this AFSB, I have been once back at the month of November, and I was screened out. It was one AFSB Dehradun. After that, I've again went through the AFCAT exam. I've cleared it again, and with a score of 175, and with the help of Defense Mania and the tutorials, I've cleared this time even the SSB. So starting off from my journey, if I say, I've been to Sahil sir's dormitory, that is the Defense Mania that has been there in Varanasi, and it's a very beautiful place. It has been maintained well, and Sahil sir has provided well with the food and everything, and the lodging and everything is really very good and is very comfortable. And even the most important part that I would like to mention, that is he took responsibility of reaching dropping every one of us at the Varanasi railway junction at morning 5:30 a.m. And it was very helpful for all of us because it's a bit far from the main station, but nothing to worry because he will take responsibility and we will be dropping as soon as possible. And definitely it came to the first day when it was the probability and the screening test. So it went well. We had the GD, and as usual we know that there is a lot of fish market and a lot of chaos that happens in the GD. But the thing is that the tutorials and the main sections that Amit sir and Sahil sir has told me, I have followed it, and their principles have followed it, and it really helped me, and I know it will help each and every one of the aspirant that they will be following it. If they are following it, it will be helping all of them. And secondly, it when I got screened in, it came to the psychological test. The psychological tests were quite easy, and it will take a lot of practice. If you practice well, psych tests are just a clicks matter, so basically you can do it. And then it comes to the GTO task. The GTO task, again you have the lecturate and the GD. where the Silesar's experience and Silesar's tutorials as well as Amit sir's experience and assessment helped us a lot. He made us learning new GD topics as well as new lecture topics where we have done through a lot of rigorous practice. So all this 2 months before my SSB. So basically, it helped me a lot. Starting from I could well see my gaps which have been. So he assessed me and he had told me what to do and what not to do. So I followed it well. Starting from increasing my knowledge about the matter as well as the topic, and going through the statistical data. Whenever we are speaking, and we have to go to statistical data to make people understand that we are speaking it in a correct note. So in these cases, Sahil sir and Defense Mania as well as the Amit sir has helped me a lot. It deals a lot with practice and a lot with determination and help and a proper guidance, which I have received excellently from them. And there in the final interview IO round, it went well. And finally, when the conference day came, they declared my name, my chest number, and I was recommended. So thank you so much everyone for listening to this video of mine. And I definitely recommend, if you join Defense Mania through applications as well as through the channel, subscribe it, and it will help you a lot to learn more about the SSB and more emphasis about AFCAT as well as SSB. You can have it both. He can train you for both how to clear the exam, both how to clear the interview. That's the most important part. And even he provides a lot of help through free materials. That is a beautiful thing that I've seen in Defense Mania, that he provides. As on the serious aspirants who have any kind of financial problems, you can reach out to him. I know he will definitely help you. He's an amazing person. So thank you guys, and all total listen to my video. I hope it might help you a lot, and I hope you will love it, and it will help you to get screened in as well as to get recommended in future. Jai Hind.
सो गाइज आई गेस आपको उनके एक्सपीरियंस से बहुत हेल्प मिली। एंड अगर मैं आपको बताऊँ तो ये रहा अनुभव जो कि जिन्होंने हमारी डॉर्मेट्री पे भी रिपोर्ट किया था। सो गाइज ये कुछ डॉम की पिक्स है, मैं सारी पिक्स यहाँ पे लगा नहीं सकता। और ये सारे बच्चे जो उन्होंने रिपोर्ट किया था डॉर्मेट्री पे हमारे। सो वाराणसी में अगर आप रिपोर्ट करते हैं, सो डिफेंस मैनिया विल मैनेज योर फूड, आपका डिनर, आपका ड्रॉप जो है अर्ली मॉर्निंग या फेस्टिव में आपको कैसे पहुंचाना है, और मॉर्निंग का ब्रेकफास्ट, ये हमारी जिम्मेदारी है, ठीक है। सो आप अगर वहाँ पे आते हैं एंड आपको डॉर्मेट्री के रिगार्डिंग या फिर कोर्सेज के रिगार्डिंग कोई भी जानकारी चाहिए, तो आप मुझे यानी साहिल कुमार को इस नंबर पे मैसेज कर सकते हैं। आप व्हाट्सएप मैसेज कर दीजिए, इफ नीड आई विल कॉल यू बैक। थैंक यू सो मच, जय हिंद, एंड डोंट फॉरगेट टू वॉच आवर लाइव सेशन ऑन at 9 p.m.